The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar fundamentally is major areas of strength for truly, for the most part is very critical. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 67 cents, or so they fundamentally thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo for the most part is floating at $2,289,105 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo down roughly 0.15% inside the very most recent 24 hours, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in every way that really matters is drifting at $2,289,105 in an unobtrusive way. 04 November 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense, clarified some things, facts, what fundamentally is somewhat transient cost expectation for Nexo, essentially is Nexo a very wise venture? Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth in a for the most part significant manner. However, prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us explicitly discuss the by and large current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,295,563,241,888, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $32,247,487,270, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, so Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%, which in a real sense is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours, showing that 04 November 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, clarified some things, facts. What certainly is truly transient cost expectation for Nexo, essentially is Nexo a wise interest in an especially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time span in a fundamentally huge manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, certainly is somewhere near 0.19 and at present exchanging at 61 cents in an in every practical sense, significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so the kind of all-out exchanging volume really remains at $32,247,487,270, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions generally show that the market sort of is going in a really descending bearing for pretty present moment, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is drifting at $2,289,105 in a truly significant manner. As of now, an especially broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time period, or so they especially thought. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support really is a level at which purchasers certainly become most certainly more fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which merchants in a real sense move exceptionally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher incredibly. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The especially current Nexo value sort of is 67 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,289,105 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge. Presently, Nexo truly is somewhere near 0.15% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $375,370,304 United States dollars. Fundamentally further appearance how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar truly is areas of strength for truly, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value examination Nexo cost investigation for 04 November 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how the sort of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $32,247,487,270, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Nexo. Showing how Nexo value examination Nexo cost examination for 04 November 2023, inside an everyday time span, most certainly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $32,247,487,270, or so they thought. The Nexo sort of has certainly break all its buy and large backings levels and things in a real sense are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, so Nexo value examination Nexo cost investigation for 04 November 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how the all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $32,247,487,270, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, in a real sense bears essentially are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Nexo cost underneath the critical help level of 82 cents, showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar sort of is major areas of strength for truly, in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and basically is attempting to sort of break out of the lack of bias zone, especially further appearance how these occasions by and large show that the market generally is going in a truly descending course for genuinely present moment, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo most certainly is drifting at $2,289,105. Fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, most certainly signal fundamentally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Nexo down roughly 0.15% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo